This is Alberto Corona with Ray Networks, and today we're going to be going over digest emails and notifications. In this series, we've already gone over breadcrumbs, creating customers, changing licensing, managing users, changing filtering and spam settings, as well as filtering and encrypting. So, in order to do this, we're going to want to go over to Customer Management and go to Customers. We're going to go ahead and find Bob's Burger, which is the place that we've been working on. There it is. From here, we're going to want to go over to Account Management and go to Notifications. And then we're going to go up here and hit Templates. As we can see, these are all the wide variety of languages and templates that Proofpoint has given us. We're going to go ahead and just click on this one. We're going to edit. And then we can add tags. We can also change names if we'd like. And then we can also change the logo if we'd like. So we're going to go ahead and hit cancel. We're going to go over to our digest. And this is where they will give us all the quarantine emails available. So if emails do get quarantined, you will get these digest emails, which will show you and then you can release and then approve in case there is email in there that you do approve of. And in order to change this up as well, you can go over here to digest, and then you can also choose to receive digest quarantines or not. Some people decide they don't really like them because they might be too much for their employees and it's just not something that they should be worrying about. Or you can go ahead and change the time as well. You can change it to automatically it's set to 3, but you can manually change it to say 9 or 8 depending on when your employees get to work. And then you would just go ahead and hit save. We hope that was helpful, and we'll see you guys next time.